the full day in the life, what we got going on. Y'all stay tuned, share what we eat, how we work out, how we able to build this body in 120 days and stay lean with it. If y'all kind of get right for the summer, pay attention. I'm gonna show you what we got going on. We got our pan going right now. I'm gonna show y'all our breakfast. So this is our breakfast that I eat. Essentially, I like protein in the morning time. So when I wake up, cage-free eggs. Eggs is prominent in my diet, right? It's high in protein, super lean, and who don't like eggs in the morning time? So we can go ahead and crack a couple of these in there. And I do about 4 or 5 eggs in the morning, and then I might pair it with a bagel as well for some carbohydrates. And this is usually what I eat before I go work out, or it's like my meal when I first wake up in the morning. Wait about an hour. This is actually one of our first meals that I eat. It's either gonna be some chicken breast, some ground turkey, or some lean ground beef. Those are literally my main 3 go-to options. They're cheap, they're effective, and you can pretty much move them around and make them into anything, to be honest with you. So right here we got some chicken breast. This is already pre-seasoned. Now, when I was getting myself in shape, I was eating this probably between 3 to 4 to 5 times a day, right? I would have me some chicken breast, and then I would pair it with some jasmine rice, right? I'll do a cup of rice. And I had my meals spaced out between 2 to 3 hours apart so that my body can break down that protein, that food. When you're trying to build muscle, you need to break your meals up. Don't just eat 2 big meals. Like, you need to spread them out because your body can only absorb so much at a time. We're about to cook us some chicken, put that on, and then we're gonna cook us some rice. And that's gonna be our very first meal. And pretty much we're gonna eat that about we're probably gonna eat that about 3 or 4 times today. You gotta look at the mirror. The mirror is the best judger, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. Look in the mirror. If you're fat, you need to dial down on the calories you're eating. If you're skinny, you need to build up more calories. So you need to increase the amount of meals. I never track my food, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I literally just look in the mirror, increase my meals or decrease them, and that's how I've been able to low-key build my body when I was working out for 4 months. All right, y'all, look, we got the Galleria. We got some rice and chicken right here. Hey, we keep it protein and carbs all the time. No matter where we go, we make sure we staying in the right lane, you know what I'm saying? So, all right, so we are about to go work out at Alpha Land, but I'm about to show you what I eat before I work out. So usually, I'm just gonna get me a banana real quick, and I'm gonna throw a little honey on it. So y'all, I get some Texas Wildfire honey. I throw that on there, and this is usually my pre-workout, and then I'll add like a little energy drink, like a Celsius. But this is usually my pre-workout, and this something light on my body. Usually before I get a meal in, probably an hour or 2 before I work out, and then I'll eat this like right before. So we got Alpha Land with it. Hey, y'all, we better get this dog working. Look at this. Come on. Hey, y'all see this? Look at this dogs right now.
Yeah.
We really about to put that dog work in. I'm telling y'all. So they got a little event going on, C4 Energy. We're about to bring the energy today. You know what I'm saying? So like, I see we got my boy George in the background. Hey,
yeah, we about to go in here and get some work in. We're gonna get some content. It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
Check out Alpha Land. It's my first time in here.
Okay.
And I'm excited. Let's go.
We got free samples.
Free samples.
I like some free samples now. We like that. We like that.
Right, this shit crazy.
Come on, let's go, big dog.
Let's go. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Come on, get that bit up. Get that bit up. Get that bit up. Yeah. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Right, this shit crazy.
The next day, we was outside, we went to sleep, so I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up eating when I got back to the crib. So right here, chicken and rice, probably 6 to 8 ounces of chicken right here. And we probably ate that probably once or twice after we got back from the gym. And we got our chicken prep right here. And that's all I ate, y'all. Like, that's all I ate to get shredded and build muscle. Is literally I ate 3 to 4 times a day. If I didn't see the results, I increased the meals the next week to 5 meals, and I went to 6 meals until I started to see that weight go up and my body started to chisel. That's what I did, and it's so simple. You add a little vegetables in there or whatever, but honestly, it takes discipline. It takes doing the same thing every single day to get the result that you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you guys later.